This is how a spark plug is supposed to look like. This is the spark plug from the Kazuma. Black, looks like Pompeii. A lot of shit on it. Fuck. Notice how I torqued them to correct spec, as seen in the owner's manual. Oh, fuck. There you go. While it's draining, let's get this cover off. Oh my god, I remember last time this was such a pain in the ass to get off. Would you look at those? Fucking mint. Fucking piece of shit. Ugh. Ew. Perfect spot for the cover. Fucking retard. Oh, fuck, this is a pain in the ass. Hold up, stay right there. Fuck. Oh, fuck. There you go. Fuck. Piece of fucking... I hate these fucking clips. I hate them. So, my engine does not have a rod knock. That's fucking awesome. Kazuma lives on. This in. Ugh. Fuck.
Hold
up.
Same freaking thing.
Oh shit. It won't fit through the fucking connecting rod. Well, that one won't fit through the connecting rod, so I guess we'll just use the old one. Yeah, look, this one's thinner by a little bit, so I'll just use the old one. Yeah, this one slides right in. See? Time to put these fucking clips in, piece of shit. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Remember we were gonna tow the tractor home? That was stupid.
Yep. Should have threw it in the bed. In the back.
No, that was a good decision.
No way that just went in. No fucking way.
Throw it all back together.
Fuck. Did that throw my alignment off? No. Oh my god, that was so easy. Why was it so difficult when I did it before? That was so easy to put in. Alright, time to do rings.
You know it's heck shit when there's a friggin' stolen shopping cart in the back with an engine in it, right, kids?
It's not fucking stolen. It's not fucking.
Someone stole it.
Someone, not me, found it in garbage. Buds, man. I probably should, but I'm too lazy. Oil ring. Fuck. Fucking rings are such a pain in my goddamn ass. Ugh. Wow. Minty, 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 minty. That'd be awesome. Do they do that kind of community thing?
I doubt it. I'm sure he'll.
Okay, all pistons are on and they're cocked. Son of bitch. To put the fucking block on. Squeeze them. I bought a ring compressor and it was too big for this piston, so not gonna use that. Oh fuck. There we go. No, because the fucking cylinder won't just go down. Come on. God damn it. Slowly but surely. Fuck. Yes, got it. Alright. Put this fucking thing on.